In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a password in Safari. This process is essential for keeping your online account secure. It's not just about changing your password, it's about ensuring that the new password is saved correctly in Safari for future logins. Let's get started. First, open the Passwords app. On your iPhone or iPad, you might find it on your home screen, but if it's not immediately visible, don't worry. Simply scroll down your screen to reveal the search box. Here, you can type passwords and the app should pop up. Tapping on it will open the passwords interface where all your saved login details are stored. This is a crucial step because this app is where you manage your passwords, ensuring they are secure and easily accessible whenever you need them. Next, you will need to authenticate to access your saved passwords. You can do this using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. This authentication step is important for your security. It prevents unauthorized access to your sensitive information. After successfully authenticating, you will be taken to a list of your saved accounts. You can feel reassured knowing that your personal data is protected by this additional layer of security. From there, select the website or account for which you want to change the password. You will see a list of entries that represent the websites you have saved passwords for. It's a simple matter of scrolling through the list or searching for the specific site. Selecting the right account is key for this process because you want to ensure you are updating the correct password. This will help avoid confusion later when you try to log in again. Now tap on Change Password on website if that option is available. If it isn't, you will need to visit the website directly in Safari to initiate the password change. This step is important because while Safari can store your new password, you must first change it on the website itself. This ensures that your account is updated with the new credentials, preventing any login issues in the future. After you've successfully changed your password on the website, you may be prompted to save or update the new password in Safari. Make sure to accept this prompt. This action will update Safari's saved password with your new credentials. This is vital as it keeps your password manager up to date and saves you the hassle of remembering multiple passwords. You can feel confident knowing that your new password is now stored securely in Safari. To summarize, changing a password in Safari involves a few straightforward steps. You first access the Passwords app, authenticate, select your account, change the password on the website, and finally update Safari with the new password. Following these steps will help keep your online account secure and ensure that you have quick access to your login information when you need it. With everything ready, you can move forward with confidence, knowing your accounts are protected. As always, thank you for watching, and I hope this video has helped you understand how to change your password in Safari effectively.